Now the news in detail. The Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education announced the SC results yesterday for March 2008 examination with a passing percentage of 69.94% as compared to 73.63% last year, with drop in the passing percentage of 3.69%.
In all, 15,782 candidates were registered for this SSC examination, out of which 15,765 appeared and 11,026 passed, giving a pass percentage of 69.94%. Overall, compared to last year, there is a fall in the percentage by 3.69%.
This result would bring some cheer on the faces of the boys as they have performed better than last time. The overall passing percent of boys is higher than girls by 1%.
For SSC examination, for this, boys have surpassed girls in overall passing percentage by about 1%. So the boys are performing well here.
Briefing media persons, board chairman L.N.T. Fernandes disclosed the highest score among the girls and boys.
His score among boys is 561 out of 600. 561 out of 600, that is 93.5%. This is the highest percentage for SSC examination, 93.5%. And the highest score among girls is 554 out of 600, that is 92.33%.
He also announced the result in the exempted category with a passing percentage of 37:49%.
1,793 candidates registered for SSC examination under exempted category, out of which 1,758 appeared and 659 passed, giving a pass percentage of 37.49%.
He also gave further breakup of the result among the girls and boys.
The further breakup is amongst boys. 8,585 boys have appeared for this examination. 5,780 have appeared. Pass percentage is 67.33%. And 8,938 girls have appeared, out of which 5,905 passed, giving a pass percentage of 66.7%.
Mr. Fernandes disclosed the last date of obtaining the photocopy of answer book and the verification of marks.
Then to ask for the photocopy of these books, answer books, the last date is 1st of June, and to get for verification of mark in absentia or in presentia is 19th June 2008.
Bharatiya Janata Party has demanded an investigation into the payment fees done during the process of acquiring license of casinos from the government and the related dealings between the government and the owners of the offshore casinos.
ही हांगासरली फी जी आसा ती खंयच्या युवराजान घेतली हाची चवकशी जावपाची गरज आसा. भारतीय जनता पार्टी मागणी करता की हे हांगासरले अंडर हँड डिलिंग्सय जाल्ली आसात अशें दिसता, लोक उलयतात. तर तातूंतली ही जी फीज आसा ही कोणें घेतली?
Briefing media persons, BJP spokesperson Rajendra Arlekar strongly objected the statement made by GPCC President Francisco Sardina that the permission to the offshore casinos were issued during BJP regime and accused Mr. Sardina of issuing licenses for casinos during his tenure.
सार्दीन ज्या वेळार मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्ले त्या वेळार ह्या कॅसिनोक हांगासर परवानगी दिल्ली भारतीय जनता पार्टीन न्ही.
Mr. Arlekar said it is unfortunate that Congress party is supporting casinos in the state despite strong opposition from NGOs and the BJP.
कॅसिनो हे जे आसात ही जी संस्कृती आसा, संस्कृती हो शब्द चुकीचो आसा, विकृती जी आसा ही हांगासर येवपाक लागिल्ली जी आसा ताज्या विरोधान जर भारतीय जनता पार्टी आणि कांय अनेक मोठ्यो हांगासरल्यो कांय संघटना ज्यो आसात, NGOs आसात, त्यो हाज्या विरोधान उबे राविल्ले आसात. अशें आसतना काँग्रेसीन ह्या कॅसिनोच्या फावरान ताज्या बाजून भुमिका घेऊन उबें रावप ही अत्यंत दुर्दैवाची गजाल आसा.
He also asked Sardina to provide an explanation to the general public as to why the Leela casino was moved from River Sal and shifted to River Mandovi.
त्यामुळे एक भूमिका लिलाच्या बाबतीत थंयसर थंयच्या लोकांक नाका अशें म्हणून साळ नदींतलो थंयचो कॅसिनो हालोवप आनी हांगासर मांडवी नदींतल्यार हांगासरल्या आसात ताका मात्र पाठिंबो दिवप हें खंयचें राजकारण. आनी म्हणून हो काँग्रेसचो हो जो मूव जो आसा हो ढोंगीपणाचो आसा. दे आर अ हिपोक्रेट्स. हे हिपोक्रेटीकपणा तांचो चलिल्लो आसा.
Further speaking, he accused the government for being casual while issuing the licenses. The licenses were issued without formulation of rules and regulations.
ह्या बाबतीन लायसन्स दिता आसतना सुद्दां गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचो एप्रोच इतलो कॅज्युअल आसा म्हणजे सिरियसनेस म्हणटा तो खंयच दिसना. ते लायसन्स दिवप सुद्दां कशें सादें एखादें एक आमचो गाड्यावालो जो आसता तो गाड्यावालो एखादी एक सॅलरी सर्टिफिकेट दिता किंवा एखादो नोट दिता की तूं आमचे कडेन कामाक आसा म्हणून अशा पद्दतीचो 1, 2, 3 वाक्यांचें लायसन्स हांगा दिवप. तें कशें तांणी बरोवप यू आर हियर बाय परमिटेड टू स्टार्ट अ फ्लोटींग कॅसिनो इन गोवा. हाका टर्म्स ना ताका कंडिशन्स ना कांय ना.
Replying to the question asked by the journalist that there were coalition partners during the Sardina government and asked why they didn't oppose during that time, Arlikar tried to justify, saying that there was no problem if they are opposing today and not that time.
We may be aware of that. That is true. पण आयज आमकां दिसता की तें जे त्या वेळार सार्दिनाच्या सरकारान केल्लें तें चूक आसा. No, okay, we must have not made noise that time. We must have not opposed, but today we are opposing it. Nothing wrong in it. We felt that it is not in the interest of the Goan today.
We are heading for a short break. Stay with us.